Today we have a Forsberg vibratory conveyor. The unit is currently running under power. It is 24 inches wide, 8 inches deep, and 22 feet long. That is 24 inches wide, 8 inches deep, and 22 feet long. It is split right here for transportation. Bearings have been changed. It's all in good working order. It is stainless steel also. Stainless steel. This unit from the floor to the bottom of the spout is 15 inches. The overall height of the unit is 22.5 inches. This unit is in good order, completely rebuilt, and ready for service.